students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will calculate GDP at FC by income or expenditure method. Here items are given. So let us start. First of all, do calculate income method. The components of income method are compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income. So compensation of employees is not given, rather two components of compensation of employees. Number one, wages and salaries. Item number second plus third is given, which is 700 plus 100 plus the items of operating surplus, profit, rent, interest. Item number fifth plus 9th plus 12th plus mixed income, item number 15th. Fifth item is 100 plus 50 plus 50. Operating surplus plus mixed income, that is 100. So if we sum up all these three components, we get NDP at FC, which is equivalent to 800 plus 200 plus 100 is equal to 1100. We have to calculate GDP at FC. For the calculation of GDP at FC is equal to NDP at FC plus depreciation. NDP at FC recently we have calculated 1100 plus depreciation, which is 20. So the answer will be 1120 GDP at FC by income method. Next, for the calculation of expenditure method, we know that expenditure method is equal to number one, private final consumption expenditure plus government final consumption expenditure plus gross investment. Gross investment plus net exports. Private final consumption expenditure 730 is given. 730 plus government purchase of goods and commodities 200 plus gross investment is not given. The components of gross investment are number one, gross business fixed investment, fourth component, plus gross residential construction investment, sixth, plus gross public fixed investment 40 plus inventory investment. Inventory investment means change in stock. Plus net exports is not given. Components are exports minus imports. Component number 11 minus 13th. और ये 40 ग्रॉस पब्लिक फिक्स्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट आइटम नंबर 8 है प्लस इन्वेंट्री इन्वेस्टमेंट आइटम नंबर 10 है. तो आइटम नंबर 4 दैट इज 60 प्लस सिक्स्थ आइटम विच इज ग्रॉस रेजिडेंशियल कंस्ट्रक्शन इन्वेस्टमेंट विच इज 60. So 730 plus 200 plus 60 plus 60 plus 40 plus 20 plus 11th item 40 minus 20. So overall calculations will be 930 plus 180 plus 20, which is equivalent to 1130. So 1130 will be the value of GDP at MP. Because by expenditure method we calculate GDP at MP and we have to calculate GDP at FC. GDP at FC is equal to GDP at MP minus net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes is not given. GDP at MP, the value is 1130 minus the component of net indirect taxes are indirect taxes minus subsidies is equal to 1130 minus indirect taxes at 20 minus 10, which is equivalent to 1120. Again, one logic is there. If we have to calculate GDP at FC by both the methods, by income or expenditure method, the answer will be same. 1120 by income method GDP at FC or 1120 by expenditure method GDP at FC. So do subscribe the channel to see more numericals related to income, expenditure or value added method. Thanks.